Hello again, everyone. Welcome back. This is Joe with Beyond the Chart, your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices so you can become a better trader. We're going to take a look here at Solar City. This is a trade idea I have from, this is from June 24th. So this is right from the Trade Ideas page as I provided to my insider members. And this is information they get, that we talk about on a daily, weekly basis. So here's an example. On the 24th, we said at 1:15 p.m., I published this new trade idea. I said sell at the close if the close is less than 10 EMA. And then on the option, I suggested an option idea and then the initial stop and the initial target, 54.16. So on the 24th, so let's zoom in here on the chart and see where we're at. Now, this is Solar City. Here's a picture of most of the year here. Today is September 17th, so we've got some other history in here. And let's zoom in and see where we're looking at. Actually, let me do this and go in and take a look at this section right in here, because this is what we're looking at, okay? So what I'd seen was Solar City had made this move down. So if you're not familiar with my charts, let me go ahead and clear the chart a little bit. These dotted lines are the Keltner channels around the price action. Okay, these are Keltner channels, and the lines you see on the chart, this like pink, purple, whatever you want to call it. I'm partially colorblind. These are trend lines. This Solar City has been in a big retracement move most of the year. And this is a trend line down here. Moving averages. Okay, this dark blue is a 233-day simple. This is the 55-day simple. And this is the 21-day simple. And this is the 10-day trigger line. Okay, exponential. I use simple for the, kind of the trends, the 21, 55, and 233. They're Fibonacci numbers. And then the 10 is my trigger line. So you can see the 10 broke below the 21 right in here, and this went into a downtrend. And then we got a little pullback right up in here, pulled back above the 10. The 21 crossed below the 55. I was watching and looking for another thrust down. And when I saw that this was about to break below in here and close below this 10 again, I wanted to enter at the close of this day. So that's when we ended right here at 57.01, and I set my target at 54.16, okay, initial target. So now let's go back to the trade idea, and you can see, so we've got the July 57.5 puts, and so 57.5 is right in here, so it was slightly in the money at 221 ask. So four of them at $884. This is, again, example purposes for you. I mean, again, everybody has to decide, if you're looking at this, is this something that, fits my risk profile? Is this something that even makes sense to me to try on? And, is this an amount that fits, my risk appetite? So these are all things you have to decide for yourself. And again, this is kind of a guide to give you an example of what you can do and the kind of money that you can make. And so here on the 29th, it hit my initial target. So we're literally talking, so I got it at the end of this day. So 1, 2, and in the third day, hit my target. So we exited 2. Now, then it continued to push down and to hit the Keltner channel, and I exited the other 2. Now, if I was a little bit more aggressive on this, I could have tried to ride it down and see what the other 2 would have given me, and I could have, said maybe put a stop slightly above the high of every day, and you literally could have gotten out down here. There's always going to be, the Monday morning quarterback, could always do something a little bit better, but you know what? Not going to complain about 87% in 3 days. So that was this trade, riding this nice little wave to the downside here. And that was the play on Solar City. So that's just an example. If you want more insight, check it out. Become an insider member. Go on to the insight, over to the webpage at joehentges.net/join. All right, everyone. Talk to you on the next video.